So today I decided to play SAO Lost Song. This game comes from one of the worst franchises of all time. But who knows, maybe after playing this game it'll change my mind. So join me as I hop into the world of SAO. Hold on. Okay, this shit look fake decent. Hold on.
Yes.
I fuck with the you know, art style. Okay. Okay, and before me, were you that eager to start? Yo, could you shut your bitch ass up? Like, who the fuck are you talking to? Waglindi? Fuck, bro. Yo, why you looking at me like that? Daddy, hey, yo. Oh, you find that it's just you and Leafia today? Okay, I don't care. Okay, first time playing this shit. Okay, double jump. Oh, I'm flying in this bitch. Hold on, I'm flying in this bitch. I feel like Dragon Ball Z. Alright, we're going to the floating city. Holy shit. Nah, I fuck with the new city. The scenery is kind of good. Why is everything broken? Like, why is that shit on the side broken then? See how close I am? I'm gonna fucking kiss you. My bad. What's it? What? I'm going to have fun here. Hey, what? Bro, there's kids. Those are kids. Hold on. Get hype. Yeah. I'm finna blow on this bitch. I'm finna smoke me a bitch. Niggas be talking that shit. 50 clips in a round. Yeah, that nigga going down. You to edit your party at the desk? Okay. Partner 2. Who go up? Okay, we gotta go Azumit, bro. That's the wifey, bro. That's the what? Okay, but this is our first mission. This is our first shit, man. Alright, now these niggas mad pussy, bro. See, I told you these niggas mad. Come on, everybody. He's about him out. It's my spot, bro. What you talking to, bro? Oh shit. First like actual challenging fight? Okay, bro. Oh shit, I can't go nowhere. I just eliminated your whole hey, peace. Hey, man, chill up. Man, if you don't chill on my homie, bro. Where to? Wait, so we just allowed to run? Are we gonna run up in this nigga's house? Oh. You know this is illegal in America, right? What are we gonna do now? Oh yeah, that key's just there. Like that just there? Like what? That don't even make sense, bro. Like we just randomly found a key. Yeah, bro. That's so convenient. Where to? Yeah, I don't go fuck. I mean, nah, this fire. This is a fire game. That's what I meant to say. What the fuck? What's the oh shit. Yeah, we're cooked. Ow, nigga. What's up, bro? No, we not losing. No, dragons. Come here, come here. Come on, come here. Stop running. Stop running. Stop. Wait, how do I get down? How do I get down? And I got your ass, nigga. And I got your ass, nigga. And what? Here, come here. Nigga, we run this shit, nigga. How about our plane, nigga? Let's reach level 105. No, none of them niggas like him. None of them niggas like him. So them niggas shouldn't fuck with me, bro. None of them niggas like him, bro. Yeah, they better get an SB for that shit. And we should not save them, bro. Like, what we putting ourselves in danger for? And we saved them. Like, oh, are you fucking serious, bro? Oh, I chose to save them. Alright, bitch, nigga. Alright, bitch. Now, y'all got him, right? Yo, what am I doing, bro? Yeah, bitch, that nigga. Bitch, that nigga. Bitch, that nigga. No, I keep fucking up. Bro, they finished him for me, bro. Holy shit. Hey, first dungeon, this shit look weak as shit. We gonna fight this bitch up. Nigga, it's the same nigga. I think this nigga's supposed to be tough. Bitch, nigga. Weave, nigga. On that shit, boy. Bro, this nigga's dodges are easy. Like, I can dodge this nigga so easy. Man, ain't that why y'all bitch act on, nigga? Why y'all bitch act on? Alright, bro. What is you bound at me before, bro? Alright, we cleared this shit. We cleared this one, bro. We cleared the quest. Hey, you did, we're amazing. Yo, such a... Yo. This is why I'm never having kids, bro. She's so fucking annoying. Okay, we're back. This is the second quest. This is the second quest. We're finding these slime niggas? Bro, these are weak as shit. Where are my teammates? Where are my teammates? Yeah. Oh shit. Nah, why he really did my shit in, bro. I wasn't expecting that, bro. You got it. Hey, second quest complete. Second quest complete. Why is there a big ass slime? Holy shit. tossed around like a fucking salad, bro. I'm getting tossed around like a fucking salad, bro. let's just finish this. I got a new outfit from that in the last mission we did. Let me see if I can put that bitch on. I think it's this. Oh nah, they got me out here looking like a femboy, nigga. Oh fucking hell no. Okay, we got some new party members. Let's see who we can change out to. Oh shit. Freya's pretty. Oh nah, these niggas pretty tough. Hold on. Alright, let's go do this quest real quick. We going, you know? Nigga, is this the same dungeon we already went to? Nah, I swear to God, this is the same dungeon we already been to. Them niggas, nah, y'all couldn't beat this dungeon, or you're dead ass. Like, you're dead ass. Yeah, I got two different. Is that hard yet? Hold on, the two different swords hard. They look so hard, man. And they do more damage. Wait, what's y'all weapons looking like? Oh, why is she kind of holding that shit? Can y'all niggas just die already? Fine, fucking leave, bro. You really say my bacon back there. Thanks. Nigga, who the fuck says you really say my bacon back there? Like, are you fucking stupid? Thank you to everybody who's been showing support on my YouTube lately. Let me know if y'all want some more of this. I could do more of the SAO franchise, or I could just do more of this game. If y'all want that, just say it in the comments. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.